Well, 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 what do we have here? It's a little grey box. Shall we see what's inside? Comes in a box like this. What comes in a box like this? Okay, that's better for my tripod. Right. I reckon. We have generic USB charger cable. Bit of bubble wrap. Bit of bubble, hang on. Oh, this one's a bit of tape. Okay, so get rid of that. Okay, so a lot of you have probably already guessed this is a little black box which contains a little ATU, and this little ATU is going to go with my FT857. So yeah, so nice green button there. Yeah, it's like Space Invaders. On and off button. Oh, hang on. Got a bit of charge. Okay, I'd forgotten it's got a battery in it. So on off button, trim button, charge cable hole, charge light, generic Chinese project box, and an antenna socket and an RF in socket, and being passed by quality control. So here's quality control, is it? Right. Let me get my radio. Okay, so yeah, I reckon that's a possibility, isn't it? That's going to work well on the. It's going to work well in the field. So, ATU 859. That's the ATU 100 then from. I mean, this one is from Amazon. I've seen them on eBay. I think this is a slightly older version, but I thought for about 40 quid it was worth doing an experiment, see if it works. So that will be the next bit. Does it work? So stay tuned. Lonewolf ham radio 7 3s, all the best.